Billionaire facing off with his former girlfriend in court. She's a Brazilian soap star more than 50 years younger than him, suing for $50 million. He's fighting back with a lawsuit of his own, and John Muller's here with the story.
George, she is a beauty, he's a billionaire, and the battle is on this morning. George Soros fighting back with some court action of his own, the details making even a soap opera seem tame. It is a heated he said, she said that has all the makings of a soap opera, a billionaire philanthropist, a sultry Brazilian soap star, and a contentious court battle potentially worth $50 million. But this morning, this seemingly made-for-TV drama is playing out in real life after billionaire George Soros filed a lawsuit Monday against his former love interest, 29-year-old actress Adriana Ferrer. The 82-year-old financier says his former flame, best known for her role on the telenovela Marisol, became angry in the fall of 2010 after he told her another of his love interests was living in an apartment Ferrer thought Soros had promised her. Ferrer became enraged, picked up a nearby lamp that was partly made of glass, the lawsuit says, and attempted to strike Soros with it.
The police or the district attorney's office never filed a criminal case. So I believe police investigators thought there was a credibility problem on both sides.
Soros' suit comes on the heels of a similar one filed 2 years ago by the Brazilian soap star against him, in which she claims Soros slapped her across the face and proceeded to put his hands around her neck in an attempt to choke her. In that suit, she said Soros tried to hit her with the lamp.
This is a classic he said, she said type of lawsuit. And these are difficult to prove.
Soros is ranked the 30th richest person in the world by Forbes, with a net worth of over $19 billion. He donates hundreds of millions of dollars each year to charity, but this morning, he's trying to make sure he doesn't give any of his money to his former flame. Now, we reached out to attorneys for both sides. We received no comment. If the court documents are any indication of what's to come, this one will be known as a courtroom doozy.
Boy, I'll say, John, thanks very much. Let's talk to Dan Abrams about this right now. So now you got two lawsuits in the court. I guess, is this George Soros' way of just trying to make it too expensive for her to keep going?
You know, they say in sports that the best defense is a good offense, and I think that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing Soros basically saying, fine, you want to sue me? You want to make these claims? I've got some claims of my own. And some of the claims he's making are based out of the same episode. For example, they're both accusing the other of striking him with a lamp, meaning he says she hit him. She says he hit her with this lamp.
But how's the court going to determine
That's right.
that?
I don't know how they're going to possibly determine it at this point because, as you heard in that piece, the police showed up. They investigated this, whatever level that they did, and determined that no charges would be filed. So this is going to be a very, very tough case.
How about the underlying claim? Can she really sue for breaking a promise?
Well, look, it's very hard. Typically, a contract, and we could have a contract orally. I mean, you could say, I want to buy your car. I'm going to pay you $20,000. We have a contract to do that, even if we just agreed orally. But you can't just say, I promise to give you a car, typically, and have that be enforceable. That's called a gift. Now, there are occasionally cases where courts will do something what's called detrimental reliance, meaning I relied so heavily on that promise. I did so much because you made me that promise that the only thing that would be fair and just is if I get some sort of money or whatever the case may be. Those are very tough cases to win. She's got an uphill battle here, but no question, she, I'm sure, would love to settle this out of court for a certain amount of money, unless this is purely vindictive on one part or the other.
No.
I mean, couldn't be, right?
Just raising the possibility.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Dan, thanks very much.